went out to the colleges and lined up the group of the smartest young men and women they could find to serve as a board of advisors on tastes and styles. They went to Smith and enlisted a Miss Suzanne Riken, to Bennington to sign up Joan Walls, to Yale to bring in popular Poppy Bush and his wife. Let's meet the 1948 Bates College Board. May we present
Phyllis Bergquist, Northwestern. Colette Ireland, Colorado University. Barbara Bush
and Poppy Bush, Yale.
Birgit Svein, Bates College.
the August issues of 17, Calling All Girls and Mademoiselle, are featuring the second in the series of 6 bedspreads to be advertised nationally in this campaign. And this time, the pattern is State Flowers, a bright and popular floral. College girls in this room are Phyllis Bergquist of Northwestern and Birgit Svein of Bates College. Note the smart trick they've done with the matching draperies, the way they've dressed up the bed with state flowers and bright pillows. The August 1st issue of Vogue and the September Harper's Bazaar are going to feature Bates Victoria bedspread, a design that ranked first in a consumer poll of over 4,000 consumers of all ages. Here, Poppy and Barbara Bush, married couple from Yale, use it for their combination living room bedroom that's right for entertaining, right for living. Their guest, popular Joan Walls of Bennington College. And notice how the draperies give the room a rich look on a collegiate budget. Tie in with this ad for your local advertising.